We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby today because I need yarn. I need to get like this like burnt orange yarn for a red panda because I basically have all the other colors for everything else that's needed. Did you know they have a weekly ad? Hobby Lobby has a weekly ad and it tells you like, I guess every week, like the things that are on sale. And I guess like skeins, the balls of yarn are on sale right now. But let's go inside and see what we can find. And hopefully I find this burnt orange. If not, I don't know where I'm gonna get it from. Excuse my hand in the corner, but this sign my boyfriend got it the last time we were here. I have never came to Hobby Lobby for like home decor, and I did not realize how much home decor that they actually have. I found so much cute stuff. Literally all of the bows. You cannot tell me that all of this stuff isn't so freaking cute. Like I saw that bunny sign in my peripheral and I needed it. All the bows they have everywhere are so cute. I'm like kind of going crazy. I didn't come here for home decor, but they're so cute. I finally spotted the yarn section, so obviously I walked my way over there. I'm not seeing fluffy burnt orange anywhere that's in like the size I need. These are cute though, but I don't know what I would make out of them because they're kind of like itchy. Look at these ones. This one and this one are super cute. I keep looking everywhere and there's just no burnt orange. Like, this would have kind of gone well. But, oh, I need something like this and fluffy. This is the perfect orange panda, red panda color. I think this is the only aisle that they have. Oh, I found it. They were all 30% off, literally. I wanted to get so many. I found it. No one said that Hobby Lobby has a beauty section. These pimple patches were so freaking cute, like bows and hearts with bows. I then found the mirror section though after that, and I'm obsessed with mirrors. I kind of wanted to take every single one home, like, oh my goodness. Then I found lamps. I found the lamp aisle. They are so cute. Like all of them are so cute. I just then like walked around a little bit more and saw some cute plushies. And then I saw the sign for the clearance section. I was like looking through a few of them and I also want a tie-dye, but I don't know how that's gonna go. And then I found gibbets, croc gibbets. These are literally so adorable. I want to say cute, but I know I've been saying cute like so many times throughout this video. I'm so sorry. And then I found the graphic t-shirt section. I found cinnamon roll and just then there were beads. So many cute like things I could make out of them. And I spent so long in this aisle just like admiring literally everything that I could like possibly see. Look at this. It's only $2. I always wanted to get into soap making and I thought this book would be helpful, but honestly I'm gonna tell you it's just not. Honestly don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but I saw someone do like a junk journal page in these photo frames, and this is only like $2 for 2 of them, so I think I'm gonna try them. It's about time for me to start heading home. My boyfriend's gonna be worried about me. I've been here a while. I only spent $17.51 including taxes. That is so good for me going out and shopping by myself. $17.51. The first thing that I got was, it's called pumpkin, but I feel like it's more burnt orange and it's gonna be perfect for the red panda, don't you think? And then I've never used this type of yarn before. It's like thin, but I think I can make a beautiful teddy bear out of this one. This one is called soft pink. I'm gonna make the cutest teddy bear. For the first fasteners, I got animal noses in black, and then animal eyes in brown, and then animal eyes in solid black. I couldn't decide which one I wanted. The brown ones look so cute because like they look like eyes, but I might want to be like even cuter and do all black. We'll see. And then last but not least, I got the photo frames that were on sale. There's only 2 of them. It's supposed to be a pack of 6 originally for like $6, but since there's only 2 of them, they only came out to be $2. I can either fill one with like crochet flowers, or I can do them like as a collage or a junk journal type thing. I just think it'll be cute, or I can just put a picture of my cat. I want to do arts and crafts with these ones. Maybe I'll do like crochet flowers on the outside and then something junk journaly or scrapbooky on the inside. That one might be the move. People are watching me from their cars and I don't mind because it's not like they're gonna come over here and say anything. But I'll see you guys next week. Bye.